I came here to personally brief the Honorable Minister about Kigali. Kigali is the first window for the AfroBasket 2021 qualifications or qualifiers. I brought him very glad tidings of our successes in beating all the teams that we faced, 3 teams we faced in Kigali. But more importantly, I brought the glad tidings of NBBF and the new technical crew, the new technical bench that is headed by Coach Mike Brown of the Golden State Warriors. He expressed and he was looking forward to seeing the minister. He understood very clearly with his team that the minister had to stay for more urgent national matters, but he mandated me. He asked me specifically to send a very personal message. And as we all know, Mike Brown is one of the best coaches in the world. And so I bring the message of glad tidings to the minister. But additionally also, I came to personally thank the Honorable Minister and the Federal Ministry for allowing the Permanent Secretary to also represent him. I represent him very, very ably. And for us, it shows the support that we have consistently enjoyed from the ministry and the government, and we look forward to the continued support.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mike Brown, our new NBA coach, with his whole team, and I wish that he was around, but they have sent me specifically to come and thank him.
My mom will just say that, like I've said, no, just listen, you're immediate. Just my position is consistent that beyond football, Nigeria has talent and competencies in several other sports, and that our ascendancy in basketball is no longer stoppable. That ascendancy continues. Ascendancy in basketball is no longer stoppable. It's been proven. We're African champions in both male and female. We're headed to the Olympics. It's never happened before. And that shows that beyond football, athletics, basketball now, clearly, basketball as a game has arrived in this country. We're African champions. We're a dominant force in the world when it comes to basketball. And we're happy because in the hands of good administrators and managers of our team, beyond the talents we put together, you also need people to manage them. These are people that have set their eyes on the greater glory, on podium performance. And I'm sure so many other Nigerians will join the basketball revolution. This, under me, we hope to have a basketball revolution that transcends the national team, that has as objective grassroots penetration of basketball youngsters. And we hope to start a project that will have a basketball court in at least one senatorial district in the country, through private and public participation. That's a commitment that is being shared by the NBBF and the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport, that is being shared by the NBBF and the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports. By January, we should have a template of how this will happen, how the funding will be received, how it will be implemented, and how just our young ones in primary schools, in secondary schools, in some of these villages and senatorial areas can just stroll into a basketball court and make basketball a culture. That's what happened in America.
Yes.
In every community, there's a basketball court. Everywhere you see, you turn into a football pitch. We're going to manufacture the basketball hook. You can just put it anywhere, put stones around it, hold it firmly, and you can play.